Hi, welcome to my home. My name is Kathy, and in today's video we're going to be making some Valentine's cookies. I'm going to be decorating sugar cookies in 3 different ways. All 3 of these ways that are ways that I saw on Pinterest, and so I thought I would give it a try because they looked super cute. So let's get started. Today I'm going to use store-bought cookie dough. This is a sugar cookie dough. If you want to make, or if you want to use your own cookie dough recipe, that's great. If you don't have a cookie dough recipe and you don't want to use store-bought cookie dough, then I do have a video on making deluxe sugar cookies. I'll put a link up in the iCards, and then also I'll put a link in the description so that you can pop over and watch that video after this one, and that'll give you an idea of maybe a cookie dough recipe that you can use. But today I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to cheat. So I'm going to take this pre-made cookie dough, and since I'm going to be rolling out these cookies and not just cutting them and doing rounds, to this cookie dough I am going to knead in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now this is unbleached all-purpose flour, but you can use whatever you have. So I'm going to get this just really well incorporated, and then I'm going to get it rolled out on my board. Now, making these with the pre-made cookie dough, it's a big time saver because you're not having to mix up the dough, and you're not having to let it sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours before you can pull it out and use it. So it's in a pinch, if you don't have the time to wait for that time, using pre-made cookie dough is a great option. These are going to be stained glass cookies, so what I did is we have a heart shape, and then I'm going to put another heart shape right in the middle. On both of these. Now I'm going to take the center heart out. Lift that right out. I think I might bake these up and do something with those too. Not sure. Take this, pull the center out. Now we're going to put the cookies on our tray. Okay, now to the center of these, I'm going to put lifesavers. I think I can maybe fit 3 lifesavers in the middle here. I'm going to do one with red and one with purple, because to me those are kind of the colors of Valentine's Day. I'm going to do some more shapes here. I think these ones, what's a good cookie size? I think I'll do these ones next. Now I'm just going to make the rest of the dough in just regular heart shapes. And you could certainly use any shapes that you want. If you could find, I know they have some cute little like X's and O's to represent hugs and kisses. But today we are just doing hearts. Okay, so for the next 2, I'm going to put a little bit of glitter right in the middle of the hearts. Indent this just a little bit. There we go. Oops. Trying to brush this off to keep it clean. You could use a little paintbrush for this, but I don't have a paintbrush right now, so this will have to work. Okay. I'll lift this up. A little heart shape there. So the next one, I think I'll do that in, yeah, we'll stick with the red and purple theme. Oops. Oh well. Moved around in there so it fills off little holes next to the edge. Okay, we'll lift this one off. Very cute. Then these two I'm going to leave plain because we're going to be dipping these, and we'll put some fun sprinkles on them once we're done with that. In the meantime, I think I want to maybe put a little silver sprinkle on the stained glass ones, just to give them a little sparkle. And you could also use like a coarse sugar for this part if you didn't have sprinkles. Okay, now I'm going to get these in the oven and I'll bring you back when we're ready to do the next step, decorating these, and I'll show you how these other ones turned out. Okay, so these last ones I'm going to dip. So I'm going to dip them in chocolate. I'm going to put one in chocolate. I guess I don't have it deep enough to do the whole thing, but I'll just use this spoon to help put it on there. I'm going to do half of the cookie in the chocolate. Get on the back too. Then I'm going to lay it on some wax paper. Then my second one I'm going to put in the pink. Now, if I were doing just more than one cookie, I would have done more of the meltables. This should do it for now. Okay. That all covered. Put this on the wax paper. Now I think on the pink one, I'm going to put these little Valentine ball sprinkles. Then on the chocolate, I have these little hearts that I'll put on there. Now, how cute is this? Let's have these little ones. Okay, now I'll just let these cool off, let the chocolate harden, and then I'll take the cookies off of the wax paper. Okay, so the sprinkle ones turned out really cute. These cookies expanded a lot more than I thought they would. They had a nice spread on them. Those turned out cute. I think I may have used a little bit too much of the red sprinkles, because I used more red than I did on the purple. And as you can see, the purple, you can see the outline of the heart shape better. But those are super cute. I think maybe next time, if I made more of these, I would do maybe a smaller cookie size, so that there'd be, or maybe a larger sprinkle size. Probably just play around with it until I got the right size for both. But I think those turned out well, and definitely a cute little idea. Now here are the Lifesaver ones that we did that were supposed to be the stained glass cookie. I didn't like these ones as well. I'm sure kids would like them. And I followed exactly what it said to do in the Pinterest recipe, and mine sure do not look like the ones on Pinterest, that's for sure. Maybe if I crushed up the Lifesavers, maybe it would have worked out a little bit better. But again, the Pinterest showed it as using 3 whole Lifesavers, so that's the way I did it. But I'm sure any kid would still love to have these. Okay, so here are my chocolate dipped cookies. I put them in the refrigerator for just a minute. They're not quite all the way hard, but they're getting there. But look at those. Those are super cute. I really like these ones. I think these ones turned out the best, and I think these are my favorite ones so far. I think these are definitely ones I would do again. Well, please share with me which design you liked the best. And if there's something you would have done differently, please share that down in the comments. And if there's a favorite cookie that you make at Valentine's time, then please share that as well. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified each time I put out a new video. Well, until next time, I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.